Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the company name on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually here using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. And then after you open in your browser, just go here to the URL and type asana.com and hit the enter button. So let me just do that. So that will actually take you into this page, which is actually the main or the home screen. And before start using the website, you would like first of all to go and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything. You would like just to go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? So of course, let's say as an example, you want, as we said, to change the company name. Just go here and click at your icon at the top right corner. So of course from there you would like just to go and click at admin console. So this will actually open a new tab for you. So just wait until this tab loads correctly. So of course when the tab loads, that will actually be the home screen for you. So of course from here you would like just to go and click at the setting from here. And as you can see, if we go back to our tab, the first tab, and that is actually the current name of your country, or sorry, not country, company, which is my workspace. So of course you can change it, as I said, from this my admin console. So of course when you click on that, just go here and click at settings, and here click at the workspace name. So of course you'll be able from here to change the workspace name, which is like the company name. So of course for me, I'm just gonna name it like test company and click at save changes. So as you can see, workspace name has changed to test company. Now I'm just going to close this tab and will come here and refresh, and let's just wait until this page refreshes. And as you can see, now our company name is this company and we will be good to go. So that will be I guess for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.